How to automatically size Excel cell to fit text. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video guys, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so there is a 2-3 methods. I will show you one by one. So let me type something in cell. You can see, okay, this is not fit in cell. It is, cross the cell to the next cell. It's look like, but it is in one cell only. So if you want to make auto fit manually, then just select that cell and just click between the two cells and make sure this symbol visible to you and double click on it. Then it will be fit to the cell. Okay, you can also if you have huge data, then select the all sheet like this. Just click on this corner and click between the any columns, then all the text will be auto fit. Okay, the next method is you need to just select the cell, or you can select the all cell. If you have two cell and if you want to select only two cell, then hit the control keys, hold it and select the one cell and select the second cell. Go to the home, go to the format and auto fit the width and auto fit the height. Okay, so it will be done. Okay, so if you want to make permanent solution and if you want to make the all while you working the your cell will be auto fit while you typing the text, then there is a one method. Show you, go to the sheet, right click on it, go to the view codes. Okay, here we need to go in these worksheets. Okay, this is the code you need to type here. Okay, sales capital C, sales dot inter columns entire column dot auto fit. Okay, just type this code under this worksheet and just go to the file and go to the close and return to the Microsoft Excel. Now type the okay, so then you can type anything, it will be automatically fit like this. You can see. So that is a process you can follow. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.